So Jiva and Vishnu Chakravarti brought out those points. But I saw another point in the verse, and why this word is appearing now, because this is the beginning of the Ras Leela, which will include very intimate descriptions of Krishna's amorous affairs with his eternal beloved Shaktis, Ladni Shaktis as his eternal consorts, Srimati Radharani and all the Braja Gopis. So Yogeshwareshwara. So I wrote this, I said this, because Shukadeva is entering into the Leela now, and this is, he's picked up the narrative. It's called narrative. We heard dialogue, Prem Alap, Krishna speaks, Gopis speak, and now that curtain closes on the stage, and now the MC and master of ceremonies, he walks out on the stage. So everyone, that's what it is. And he comes out and says, so Krishna, as we heard in the speech here, that in the Pranaya Gita, Krishna smiled when he heard all the gopis. But you should know, everyone, that this Krishna of this Leela, he's Yogeshwareshwara. And I will now continue to explain how he enjoyed with them, because they came because they wanted to enjoy him. And he enjoyed with them because he's merciful and he's kind to his devotees. However you approach Krishna, then he'll reciprocate accordingly. Akama sarva kamova, moksha kamo udarini. Tirena bhakti yogina. So if any way you come with desire or no desires, or mukti, bhukti, siddhi, whatever you want, bhukti, mukti, siddha, kama, whatever you want, Krishna will fulfill your desires. So that's his mercy, that's his kindness, that's his equanimity. He's equal to all. So that's the opener. So they were explaining, proving how he is the Yogeshwar. But I saw it this way, that this word introducing the entire Ras Leela and the all intimacies by saying, this romantic, this Nagar, this Abhiram, this Nagara, this Duravagraha, this great romantic, this dear Lalita Nayak, Sri Krishna, is the master, he's a yogi. He's a master of all yogis. So I took this to indicate that the entire Ras Leela and the end, the ensuant, immaculately pure loving dealings of Krishna Braja Gopis are completely moral, and they're victorious. In other words, they're not losers. The gopis aren't losers because they lost their Laja Dharma and Stri Dharma and Varna Dharma and Ashram Dharma and name and fame and shame and everything. Swajanam Arya Patam Chahitvam. They're not losers. They're the greatest gainers. They're the greatest, most victorious personalities and most victorious devotees. And anyone who follows the gopis or hears the Rasa Leela, they will also become the same way. So this Yogeshwar indicates this. How so? Anyone who hears the Rasa Leela or follows in the footsteps of the Braja Gopis, they themselves will become most righteous, become most pure, and they'll become the greatest lovers of God. Premi Bhaktas, they will become Premi Bhaktas like Srimati Radharani and the Braja Gopis. This is proven in the Bhagavad Gita, which one of the ending shlokas is 1878. You know that verse? Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Parto Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. So listen, it says Niti, Dhruva, wherever there is Krishna, the king of yogis, Yogeshwareshwara, same word as verse 2942, 10th canto, and the archer, Dhanurdhara, the one who holds the Dhanu, Dhanurdhara means Arjun. Wherever there is Krishna and Arjun, there will be what? Good fortune, Shri, victory, Vijay, wealth, Bhuti, Nitir, morality and righteousness. So that means that this Ras Leela, this dance of love, or the Prema love dance, this is the highest Dharma, and this is the conclusion of Bhagavad Gita. So here, the Dhanurdhara, first we have the Yogesh. We already established in this Ras Leela that the Yogeshwara of the Bhagavad Gita is the same Yogeshwara. Sri Krishna Gita is Sri Krishna of the Ras Leela. He's called Yogeshwara here, Yogeshwara there. So one personality is the same. It's Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Now the other personality in the Kurukshetra in the Bhagavad Gita is Arjuna. And in this Leela, in the Vrindavan, the Ras Leela, the devotees are the gopis. So the similarity here and the connection between the gopis and Arjuna is that they're both pure devotees. They're both Nitya Siddhas and they're both eternal Premi Bhaktas of the Lord. One is in Sakya Prem, it's called Gaurava Sakya Rati, and the gopis are in the Shringha Rati, Madhurya Shringha Rati, Parakiya Bhav. Because wherever Arjuna is there, so that the Krishna, the Yogeshwara is Krishna, and who's the Danur Dara? This is Arjuna. So who is the Danur Dara of the Ras Leela? It's the gopis. And what is the Danu? The Danu is their eyebrows. Danu means the bow. Danur means the bow. Gandiva Dhara. Danu. So Danu means the rainbow. Like they call this rainbow, they call it Indra Danu. In Hindi, when there's a rainbow in the sky, it looks like it goes from left to right, it looks like a bow. It's called the bow of Indradev, because there's no rainbow without Indra. No rain, no rainbow. I mean, yeah. So Indra is in charge of the rain. So it's called Danodara. So here, it's a full comparison. You know, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, the Yogeshwara. You have Danodara, Danodara. So here, in Sakya-ras, the Danodara is Arjuna, but in Madhurya Leela, the Danur, if a female is holding a bow, it's Danordara or Danordari? Dhanani. So there's Danordara and Dharani.